Not sure how to use your Sharp AC remote? Model number A967JBEZ. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Sharp AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The ion button activates the plasma cluster ion function, which releases positive and negative ions to purify the air. It helps reduce odors, bacteria, and allergens, providing cleaner and fresher air indoors. The sensor button activates or controls the device's sensors, allowing it to detect motion, temperature, or other conditions. Press the jet button to instantly start powerful cooling or heating at maximum fan speed, quickly bringing the room to your desired comfort level. Press the Follow Me button to activate the temperature sensor inside the remote, allowing the air conditioner to adjust cooling or heating based on the temperature around the remote instead of the indoor unit. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the gentle cool air button to activate a soft cooling mode that reduces direct airflow, creating a gentle and comfortable breeze without feeling too cold. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature, perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling, great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling, ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode, it warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode, the AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating based on room temperature. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Pressing the Eco button activates Energy Saving Mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. Sleep Mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the Clean button to activate the self-cleaning function of the indoor unit. This process removes moisture and reduces mold or bacteria buildup inside the air conditioner for fresher, cleaner airflow. When you press the Cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or good sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. If your Sharp AC remote isn't working properly, the Reset button can restore it to factory settings. Press the Reset button to reboot the remote control. This action clears temporary errors or glitches and restores the remote to normal operation. Press and hold the Temperature Down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Sharp AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.